It's kind of sad that I gotta put my phone on Do Not Disturb and silent when I'm filming, but that's just how it is. Hold on. Here you go. Need some lip gloss. Okay, just right. Let's go. Hey you guys, TNT gang, what is good? What is up? What y'all doing? How y'all been? Okay, so as you can see, we are back with another video. Now I mean to tell y'all, this video almost didn't happen. Because first of all, I couldn't find that product. So y'all know how I just told y'all I gotta put my phone on silent and Do Not Disturb. Why in the hell is somebody calling me? And how did they get through? Anyways, before I was really interrupted. So yeah, it almost didn't happen because I couldn't find a product that I was supposed to use for the actual video. And then somebody took my piece because my ring light, I gotta plug it up, but it didn't come with a wall piece, butt plug, whatever. So I got one that I used for it, and somebody took it. So it's like, so as you guys can tell by the title, I got some hair from Amazon, right? And this is the little pretty box that I get. They put on this box, it's dirty on the bottom, but that's cool. And this is called. Now, why would they put the tracking label over the box with the logo on it? I'm assuming that it's called Bly Hair, B-L-Y. It really looks like it's short for Billy Hair. But anyway, so, and this is the box. Look, cute box. Cute box. And I thought I'd figure out how to open it. We could go ahead. I can't even tell y'all what I ordered because I forgot. So, we both gonna see. This is supposed to be my Juneteenth hair. So, hopefully, it worked. I'm trying to get this tape off, y'all. I don't like just tearing stuff up. I don't like tearing boxes up because you never know what you'll need them for. I'm gonna take this tape off. Because we ain't gonna need that. We ain't gonna need. Alright, so boom. Dang, ain't got no card. Oh. What's wrong with this? Oh. I'm so glad. Oh my gosh. Why am I so I'm so glad they gave me a wig cap. Now I ain't gotta get one. I don't know who the fuck this is. I don't know who this is. 2 pieces. 2 pieces. And this is the hair. I like this bag. I don't know where they get their bags from. So this is 18 inches. I guess this is a stretch lamp. Let's open it on up. It's talking about kinky hair. I don't know. But it's curly. It's like that curly. That curly. So this is it. I'm going to keep that because I'm going to put that back in now. Oh, shit. And it got the lunch lady on it. As Kayla Nicole say, the lunch lady. They do be wearing them, y'all. But it's kind of cute. How y'all think it's gonna look? I can't really try it out because I got a ponytail. And then here goes the lace. I think this might have to be plucked a little. I don't know. Yeah, I think this might have to be plucked. I don't know. know though. It don't look. It look natural though. I gotta put it on my forehead. Cause okay, let me just take the lunch lady off real quick. This it go. Oh, they had poison in my hair. But this is how it looks. It's really cute, actually. Actually. It really don't look that long, though. But, like, if you, like, stretch it out a little bit, I guess it is. Let me see. So, that's the little thing. I guess I'm gonna have to put some makeup on this because it's not really, you know, it's see-through, but it ain't, you know, skin through. This looks like a nice little ponytail. But the hair is cute. It feels nice. It feels really nice. It don't feel harsh on my skin, so that's really good because I got sensitive skin. But we'll see when I really, you know, get it installed. This is cute. I'm ready. Yeah, but this is really cute. So I don't know if I'm just gonna upload this video or if I'm gonna wait till I get it done and put that in there. Maybe I'll do 2 separate videos because that might, yeah, that'll work. That'll work. But yeah, that is it for this video. I think I'm gonna make this the thumbnail. Cause this is cute. You guys, I've never had curly hair. Like, only time I had curly hair is when I was taking my braids down. And I took a picture with it, like half took it down. And it was cute. I'm like, one day I gotta try curly hair. So the day is coming. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all go. Cause I know y'all busy. And I'm busy too. Alright, but follow me on TikTok, y'all. Bye! I got a heart for sale and it's bleeding. I got a heart for sale, you can keep